guys, Ginger Cook here. I wanted to share something about our site that's being built, our new website. First off, this will not be the final homepage. We will have a place where you're going to easily find um, where the newest lessons are. But the neatest thing we've done so far, look at this. Under lesson listing, okay, you've got, purple members and yellow members and what you can find, European villages and all that stuff, right? But my favorite button is this one, our lessons by subject or size. This is fantastic when it opens. All right, so if you suppose you just had a 9 by 12 canvas and you wanted to know what paintings we had. Now remember, we're updating this all the time and we have not moved all the paintings over, but so you want to check back with this frequently. But you might push here and it would show you some of the 9 by 12 paintings. All these are 9 by 12, all right? And that's nice to know. And again, more will be added, but you see what I'm saying? If I scroll down here, more will be added, but these are some 9 by 12s, all right? Now, if we go back by subject or size, let's go back and find that again. Look what happens if we just clicked on buildings, okay? This is so interesting to me because we've got all types of buildings, buildings with balconies, buildings that have barns, maybe cabins, churches, a city, cottages, doors, farms, houses, stores, streets, villages. And let me just show you the one on windows. Suppose I just feel like painting a window. Look at all the ones that we have on windows. And again, this is getting upgraded all the time. I don't even remember doing the QQ47, but how neat is that? So, that being said, I think that it's important that, for those of you who are learning the ropes of the new website, it's going to be so much easier to find the tutorials, a lot less confusing, and once you know your way around here, you're going to absolutely love it. This is just a short thing to say. Remember that if you're watching this for the first time and want to know what we're doing, I think this is way cool, and so I don't want to make this video too long, but for our members that have been playing here for a while, remember this homepage is going to change. It's going to be updated. You're going to easily find what our newest listings are. You can still, if you're already an Academy member, either red, blue, or purple, you can still go to the old website and get any of our old videos. So, but the newest ones will be here, and it'll be the easiest way to find our videos. And eventually, hopefully before the end of the year, we'll have everything moved over. But there's thousands and thousands of hours in doing that. And just keep in mind, we're still under construction. And we hope you love the improvements because John and others have been working on this really hard.